Hello chess friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I promised in the previous video, I will continue with the presentation of some of the Romanian chess sets that I still have in my collection. And the following chess sets are in top 3 from my point of view of the most desirable and collectible chess sets from the perspective of an average collector. As you know, I already presented in my latest video a Romanian chess set that was manufactured in the early to mid 80s. A chess set that is known because it doesn't have a cross on the top of the king, and this was something very common and usual during the communist time in Romania. So this is a set that is more frequently found from time to time on different websites for sale, but it had started to become also a rarity. So I already talked about this set. I will just open the box to see it again, to see again the Romanian chess set that I review on my latest video. And I will present another Romanian chess set that is more desirable than this one because it has a cross on the top of the king. There were two variations of this chess set. The first variation had been manufactured in the let's say 77 or 78, and after that, after a very short period of time, a second variation had appeared on the market because the first model had a lot of imperfection, especially at the pedestal of each piece. The pedestal was in a lot of the cases oval and not perfectly round. And the wood that was used on the first variant was a hard wood and not a soft wood like this one. As you can see, it comes in pair with the Romanian folding wooden board. I think that the second variation of the Romanian chess set, in which the king had a cross on the top, was a variant that was strictly used for export. At least this is my thought, because I can see that the folding wooden board and the chess pieces are more and more accurate manufactured, and it looks like a better quality chess set. So I think it was designated for export. As you can see, the folding wooden board has a lot of carving on it. This folding wooden board is not made from wood veneer, but it's a very nice and a very beautiful chessboard. So let's open the chessboard to see the chess pieces from inside. And as you can see, the chess pieces, I would like to mention that what you can see, the green felt that is inside the board, is not something that came originally with the chess set. It's something that it was installed by me in order for the chess pieces to not move inside freely when the folding wooden board is closed. Like I mentioned, this is a special chess set because the king has a cross on the top of the king, and like I suggested previous, I think that this was a chess set that was used strictly for export because the quality is much better than the first variant. The king has a size of 92 millimeters. The felt pads of the chess set were replaced by me because the felt pads were not a very good quality felt pads. I think that the felt pads are very similar for the ones that know the Lardy chess set from the 70s, which was made from fox wood or false wood. Very similar, very crappy. I decided to change it. The pedestal of the pieces is exactly the same for all of them, and it's about 33 millimeters. The drawback of the Romanian chess sets, at least the ones from the communist period, was that the chess pieces were not weighted. Another characteristic of the chess set of the earlier version are the bishops. you can see that they have a Staunton look pattern, very beautiful, carved bishops, very nice quality, and also decent size. The knights are also looking very good. As you can see, they are close to the German pattern. I already specified that all of the Romanian chess sets are inspired by the Austrian chess sets. Overall, I think this is in top 3 one of the most desirable and collectible Romanian chess sets. In fact, I will put this set on place number 3 because there are other 2 types of chess sets that are, let's say, on the top of my list. But regarding this chess set, I think this is a must if you are trying to get a good Romanian chess set. Hard to find a set like this, especially in a very good condition. Most of the Romanian chess sets that you are able to find are missing some chess pieces, or they have some damage or broken pieces and so on. This set is basically a survivor, even though it's not a very old chess set. It's a survivor. I will set up the board just to have an overview about how this chess set is looking. The pawns are about 5 centimeters in height with the base of 33 millimeters. A very characteristic thing of the Romanian chess set is that the rook is on the same size with the pawns. This is a characteristic of the Romanian chess set that were built during the communist regime. The knights, like I said, very familiar to the German knight look. Very nice knights. The bishops are almost they have almost the same size as the queen. You can see some slight discrepancies between the white and the black bishops. The head of the white bishops is not so large as the black bishop. The base of the chess piece is the same exactly for all of them. And the king and queen, the queen is about 85 millimeters and the queen has a size of 92 millimeters in height, and the base, like I said, is 43 millimeters. Next time I will present a different Romanian chess set. I would like to say something like a holy grail regarding the Romanian chess sets. To be more accurate, I think I should call it a Romanian-Hungarian chess set, because it was manufactured in the time where the region of Transylvania was part of the Austrian-Hungarian kingdom. So thank you for watching and see you next time.